I'm Charlotte Rostek. I work on the Palace project with the Buccleuch Living Heritage Trust, and here we are in May 2025 working on one of the most exciting elements of the palace, of the original palace, which was created in the early 1700s by the first Duchess of Buccleuch, Anna Scott, daughter-in-law of Charles II, via her marriage to the Duke of Monmouth. Her private apartment is where we are, and this is where our current project is taking place.
My name's Kevin Jones. I am a furniture conserver, so I'm at Dalkeith Palace and we're conserving the parquetry floors.
The restoration of these parquetry floors really allow us to reconnect with that first moment of around 325 years ago when the Duchess first created these rooms.
We are dry stripping the old varnish off. It delaminates from the wax underneath. That's the beauty of that. The wax memory is actually still there, so we will revive the colour with a mixture of linseed oil and turpentine, real turpentine. It makes all the difference. And secret ingredient, there's always a secret ingredient.
But what's exciting about this is that parquetry floor really had come into fashion in the 17th century, and in particular popularized at Versailles, the French court. And here's the Duchess. Throughout her 40 years absence from her country of birth, she now comes back in 1699, and she wants to introduce and integrate some of these amazing and probably very modern features that she has seen on the continent at the Stuart courts in England into this palace, which of course drives her architect crazy.
Then we have furniture wax, and we apply that so it's sort of wax on, wax off, and you get more of a sheen than a shine. The wax is a sacrificial finish, so they'll damage the wax because it's soft, they take it off, but we can put it back down.
So the great closet and the picture closet, these two closets are really the high point of the Duchess's, or the culmination of the private apartment. The picture closet really being the uttermost private place with privileged and limited access only to friends and family, and the adjacent great closet, perhaps slightly more accessible space. Both of them would have been lavishly furnished. The parquetry floor is really exciting. We have got a very intricate pattern in the picture closet, that sun or starbursts, the stars around it. We have saltires near the hearth. Yeah, here we are with these amazing floors, and Kevin Hugh Jones and Des Maran, our joiner, and together they are really bringing these back to life in a way that I think will make our visitors cry out with joy. Certainly, makes this room sing to an extent once again. So absolutely delighted to see this work happening.